Welcome to Passaic County Technical Institute, where dreams take flight.
What's up, brother? It's been 4 months since the departure of SSS Biggie Crown. However, chat, we just received intel on May 9th that they're gonna reach Mars in 2 months. All right, so I'm here with
Marcus,
Marcus. What do you have there?
a rocket,
Where did you get that rocket from?
PCTI,
What would you rate your fun time experience with it?
10 out of 10.
Could you demonstrate us you playing with it?
Sure.
Would you recommend it to any family or friends?
Sure.
What do you mean, sure?
Sure.
And last question, 1 out of 10, what would you rate the product?
10 out of 10.
All right, thank you. All right, so I'm here with
Ella Shangleford,
Ella. What do you have there?
my PCTBS certified astronaut figurine.
That's cool. Would you recommend it to any friends or family to play with?
Of course.
Last question, what would you rate it 1 out of 10?
10 out of 10, obviously.
Can we see some footage of you playing with it?
Sure.
You gotta make the sound effects playing with it. No, like you yourself to speak.
Oh.
Go. All right, thank you.
Crafted with precision, our rocket ship is a symbol of exploration and wonder. Carry the spirit of space exploration with our PCTI astronaut and rocket ship souvenir.